Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Samco Infratech. I am Shivangi Srivastav, Technical Engineer at Samco Infratech. Today I am going to explain you why cell grading is important in making a battery pack. But firstly, we will know what is cell grading. Basically, cell grading means to segregate all the cells with the same capacity, or in another words, for finding the capacity of all cells, we need to charge and discharge them. This process is called cell grading. When we have requirements of a specific capacity cells for manufacturing a battery pack, then we need to find those cells only who fulfill our requirements. So, for this purpose, cell grading is important. Through of the cell grading, we determine the discharging capacity, the voltage, and shorting off only those cells that fulfill our requirements and other important aspects. Ideally, the cells in any battery pack exactly the same, but in some battery packs, same batch of the producing cells still have different performance, including the power factor like capacity and IR. So, the cell grading is very important for the making a good battery pack. And now we will know how to grade the cells. For grading the cells, we have to charge and discharge that cells. So, for charging discharging the cells, we use a cell tester or cell grading machine. And here we have that machine. You can see this is our 5 volt 100 amps 16 channel Heinz cell grading machine for prismatic cell testing. And here we have a cell with rating of 3.2 volt 100 Ah. We have connected the cells with this machine, and here we have already connected them. As we know, this machine has 16 channel. We can see here is 8 modules in this machine. Each module has 2 channels. Now we will see this machine software interface. So this is our software interface. Firstly, we have to create the program according to our cell specification. For creating the program, we have to tap process editor. Then here we can create program according to our cell ratings, and also we can upload the program. After creating the program, we have to save the file. Then tap ensure. After creating the program, you have to drag the file here. Then for starting this channel, we have to click right and tap on channel startup and normal start. After doing this, your channel will be start testing. So this is all about Heinz 5 volt 100 amp 16 channel cell grading machine. For watching detailed operation of this machine, the link is in my description box. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share this video, and for more videos and updates, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.